How to make your ex jealous and want you back. Breaking up can be emotionally challenging, and it's common to want to make your ex feel a twinge of jealousy. Did you know you can use simple reverse psychology techniques to make your ex want you back? Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Here are 10 effective strategies to help you achieve this, all while focusing on your own personal growth. 1. Change your look. Revamp your hairstyle or wardrobe to showcase a fresh, confident version of yourself. 2. Boost your social media. Post vibrant updates about your life, new adventures, outings with friends, or hobbies, to portray happiness and fulfillment. 3. Explore new interests. Engage in new activities or hobbies. Sharing these experiences can demonstrate your growth and excitement about life. 4. Meet new people. Expand your social circle by attending events and making new friends. This can subtly signal that you've moved on. 5. Share fond memories. Occasionally post about good times you shared. This can evoke nostalgia and remind your ex of your bond. 6. Create mystery. Keep some details of your life private. This unpredictability can intrigue your ex and make them wonder about you. 7. Show independence. Focus on personal achievements and demonstrate that you're thriving on your own. 8. Hint at attention. Casually mention dates or interactions with others to create a sense of competition. 9. Be emotionally distant. Limit communication to highlight your independence and emotional growth. 10. Practice patience. Give it time. Jealousy often develops naturally as they see your transformation. By focusing on yourself and your happiness, you not only encourage feelings of jealousy in your ex but also foster personal growth. Do you want to learn how to get your ex back with this simple, proven reverse psychology techniques that make your ex beg you to come back? Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more.